This 24-foot natural gas hose from SUMNEW feels robust and well-made, with thick rubber walls and solid brass ends that inspire confidence during outdoor use. The hose length is generous enough to position a grill, pizza oven, or patio heater exactly where you want it without feeling tethered to the gas outlet. I appreciate that the quick connect fittings on both ends make it simple to hook up and disconnect equipment without tools, which is especially handy for seasonal setups. The half-inch interior diameter and higher flow design handle demanding appliances smoothly, providing steady fuel delivery for consistent heat output during long cooks. Its construction stands up well to sun, rain, and temperature swings, so it is a practical choice for a permanent patio kitchen or frequently used backyard grill station. Being certified to established safety standards and built for compatibility with many popular natural gas grills and heaters, it offers a reassuringly reliable upgrade over flimsier hoses.